In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a maintenance page in Wix. First, log into your Wix account and open your website editor. This is where you will make all the changes for your site. So once you are inside the editor, you are ready to begin creating a temporary page that visitors will see while your main website is being updated or repaired. Next, go to the left side of the editor and click Pages and Menu. From there, click Site Menu. Then choose Add Page at the bottom of the panel. This is how you'll create a brand new page specifically for maintenance mode after that. Select the landing page option on the left side. Wix offers different page categories, and landing pages work especially well here because they're designed to be simple, focused, and easy for visitors to understand right away. Scroll through the available templates and choose either a Down for Maintenance or a Coming Soon template, depending on the look and message you prefer. Once you've chosen a template, give the page a clear name, such as Under Maintenance, and click Done. Naming the page properly helps you stay organized inside your editor, especially if your site already has several pages. Now it's time to configure the page settings. Find your new maintenance page in the list. Click the three dots next to it and select Settings. Then open the Layouts tab and change the layout from standard to no header and footer. This is an important step because it prevents visitors from using your usual navigation links to access other parts of the site while maintenance is in progress. Next, go to the Page Info tab and click Set to make this page the new home page for your site. That ensures anyone visiting your domain will land on the maintenance page first. While you are there, turn Hide from Menu on so the page won't appear in your site navigation. After the settings are in place, edit the text directly on the page so visitors know what's happening. Use a short, friendly message letting them know the website is currently undergoing maintenance and will be back soon. Keep the wording clear and reassuring so visitors understand the downtime is temporary. You can also add an email opt-in form so visitors have a way to subscribe and be notified when your site is live again. This is a helpful touch because it keeps your audience connected even while the website is unavailable. Finally, click the Publish button in the top right corner to make your maintenance page live to the public. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.